Is this lecture something that everyone gets to view, or do you have to be a Master Mason to be able to do it?
Well, when you're an entered apprentice, you're going to hear about all these symbols.
Right.
But you won't necessarily be introduced to those symbols.
Right.
When you become a fellow craft, then you're going to know these two sections, and when you're a Master Mason, then you know the whole Master's Carpet. To answer your question, remember that learning Masonic symbols, the learning system that is Freemasonry, is sequential. So we start off with the lower levels and keep on adding on to it. So an entered apprentice, we probably wouldn't use this Master's Carpet for the entered apprentice degree because there's a lot of symbols on here that they might find confusing that we don't talk about or instruct them on until they become a Master Mason. So the Master's Carpet most likely would be brought out for the Master's Mason degree.
Okay.
Remember those Master's Carpets that I called the Shearer? The Shearer's Master's Carpets, which were probably more popular, and you'll probably take some pictures because you can find them on the internet real easy. We probably have some here. Where the Shearer company would actually make Master's Carpets specific to each degree.
Okay.
They would have some Master's Carpets that would have all 3 degrees on them, but they also have some Master's Carpet that would just have entered apprentice symbols on it, or another Master's Carpet that would just have fellow craft symbols on it. So they could instruct the new brothers on those specific symbols without confusing them with future degree instruction.
Right.